अब मैं दुआ का आखिरी हिस्सा बोलने वाली हूँ। आप सब लोग खामोशी से सुनना और बात नहीं करना और अपने रब से अपनी मुकम्मल शिफा अभी इसी वक्त कबूल फरमाना। शिफा मिलने के बाद खुदा का शुक्र और तारीफ करना, मजीद बरकतें हासिल करने के लिए दूसरों को भी बताना।
In the name of living God, I bind and take charge over every sickness, disease, trauma, infirmity, iniquity, and command you to leave right now and never return. Marfan syndrome. Cast out the spirit of Marfan syndrome. Command the genes to be healed and whole. Command healing of every symptom as well as the underlying cause of disease. Healing of skeletal system, eyes, cardiovascular system, lungs, central nervous system, and every other disorder. Speak creative miracles, new body parts as needed at every level, including the genetic, nano, micro, and macro level of tissues. Body to be completely healed and restored to normal. Infection, pain, inflammation, and discomfort to leave. Electrical and magnetic frequencies to be in harmony and balance. Body to be whole from the top of the head to the tips of the toes in the name of living God. Ameen.
आमीन सुम्मा आमीन।